The kitchen is the heart of any home, so getting the plan and design right is imperative. In this video, I'm going to show you how I went about designing my kitchen. So yeah, the design is really easy and functional. Everything is, instinctively where it should be. And I think that's really important when you're designing a kitchen, that everything, it should be easy for you to be able to get a meal together. Just base units. I like keeping wall units to a minimum. I just think it makes it feel a little bit less fitted kitchen. And I like to add vintage pieces. So I've got a vintage shelf, I've got a vintage trolley, this retro fridge, which we've had for 14 years. And even though the kitchen is quite modern, I wanted to add these pieces so it would give it an originality. So lighting is a very important feature in kitchens. It needs to be practical as well as atmospheric. So in my kitchen, I went for spots because you're never in your shadow. Doesn't matter which surface I'm on, there's always light shining. And then on the breakfast bar, I added these really efficient, energy-saving Plumen bulbs that cast a lovely light, but don't interfere in my view to the dining room. So I feel like it's a nice feature, but it's not overpowering. I love greenery and fresh flowers and faux flowers. So I've always got some flowers on the breakfast bar, and then I've got herbs on the trolley as well as the succulents below. And of course I've got the tropical palm print wallpaper, which I absolutely love. And it just, I think, enhances the view to the garden because it's all adding to the greenery and it's bringing, the outside in. So it's a great feature. Styling your kitchen, there's some useful tips. So we found these brackets in one of the sheds, and then we've just done, a simple thin pine shelf and painted the edge black because there's lots of monochrome accents in the kitchen. The doors and the skirtings and the architraves are black. And then I went for green metro tiles because I wanted an accent. They're timeless, and green, basically, if I decide to change any of the other, including the wallpaper scheme in the kitchen, it's not going to affect it because it's going to go with everything mostly. And then here it's another little find in one of the sheds. So it would have been a garage wall shelves there, but now I've changed it into the spice rack, and I really love, the rusty blue colour as well. It really is a nice feature. So we've added light boxes with applause and love, and I think you can really work at developing a scheme by adding these fun touches. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you have any suggestions on future videos, please leave your comments below, and please remember to subscribe.